Introducing the PAL Parts Automated Lift. It is a high-density automated storage and retrieval system with a small footprint of only 3 by 3.3 meters. By storing vertically and utilizing the unused overhead space, you can recover up to 85% of your floor area. As many as 9,600 bins, usually stored in 100 square meters, will now only take up 9 square meters. The PAL is modular in design and optimizes the maximum height you have available. When your business grows, the PAL can grow with you. The unit can be extended in the future if needed. The height of the unit is available from 2.3 to 12 meters. The PAL swiftly delivers trays with your stored goods to the picking station. When storing the tray, the PAL automatically scans the load and stores the tray in the closest available space, thereby optimizing the height and maximizing storage density. Each tray can carry a load of up to 500 kilograms. Having the components brought to the operator eliminates unnecessary searching for different line items. The ergonomics of the machine provides a safe and comfortable picking height. The control screen can slide with ease to eliminate unnecessary walking. It is also adjustable up and down to suit different operator heights. The machine is equipped with safety light curtains with a high-density beam arrangement for maximum operator safety. Partnering with some of the finest local fabricators and well-known and trusted suppliers in the industry helped us design and produce a world-leading product. If necessary, off-the-shelf components will ensure minimum downtime and save you the frustration of having to wait for costly, imported parts. No need to wait for months before you can start gaining the advantages of automated storage and retrieval and clear that well-needed space for other aspects of your business. Why wait any longer? Give us a call now and find out how the PAL can benefit your business.